Good morning, students. In this module, we'll cover the chapter 22. So I'm going to discuss certain questions of exercise 22b. So this is question number 8. In question number 8, there is a figure and the question asks, find the value of, you have to find the value of sine phi and the value of tan theta. So we can see in triangle BCD, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. So we have to find the perpendicular DC. So DC square will be BD square minus BC square. Now we can write A square minus B square, so it is A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So BD is how much? It is 13 plus BC 12 and multiplied by 13 minus 12. So it comes 25 multiplied by 1, that means 25. So we got DC square equals to 25, so DC will be plus minus 5, but we will accept the positive value as we are finding the distance. So we got the value of DC, that is 5. Now to find, here we will mention DC square. So now we can find the value of sine phi. Sine phi will be, I can write sine phi. Some people have, that is P upon hypotenuse, perpendicular. So perpendicular will be in the front of angle considered, so it was DC upon hypotenuse BD. Hypotenuse is always opposite of 90 degree. So DC is 5 and BD is 13. So we got the value of sine phi. Now we have to find the value of tan theta. So what I'll do, I'll take a horizontal line from this vertex and we'll mark a point E. Now if this BC and DE both are parallel, so this 12, so this DE will also be 12. Now this entire AB is given in question that it is 14. So this entire AB is 14, so it is 5. So the rest AE will be 14 minus 5, that is 9. Now we will apply in triangle ADE. We need not to apply the Pythagoras theorem as we have to find tan theta. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is this, DE is perpendicular, and for base will be AE. So it is 12 upon 9, that is 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So tan theta comes to 4 upon 3. Now come to question number 14. So in question 14, it is given that 5 cos A minus 12 sine A is equals to 0, and we have to evaluate sine A plus cos A upon 2 cos A minus sine A. So from this given equation we can write 5 cos A equals to 12 sine A. So we can write sine upon cos, that is sine A upon cos A will be 5 upon 12 and we know that sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So tan theta is equals to 5 upon 12. Now we have to find the value of this equation, this expression. So On dividing each term by cos theta, we will mention dividing each term by cos A. So once we divide, we will get sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon cos A whole divided by 2 cos A upon cos A minus sin A upon cos A. So we will get the value. Sin A upon cos A is tan A. So tan A plus 1 upon 2 minus tan A. Now we need to just put the value. So tan A is 5 upon 12. So 5 upon 12 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 12. On solving, we will get 5 plus 12 upon 12 upon 24 minus 5 upon 12. So this 12 will be cancelled. So it will be 17 upon 19. Now come to question number 19. So in question 19, there is a triangle ABC. So this is a triangle, and it is mentioned that AB is equals to AC. So this AB length is same as length AC. So both is 15 centimeter. This both is 15 centimeter, and the length of BC is 18. So if I draw the perpendicular from this vertex, so we know that this is the base is bisected in an isosceles or equilateral triangle. So if the base is 18, so it will be 9 and 9. Mark it D. Now, on applying Pythagoras theorem in either of the side in triangle, this is question number 19. So in triangle ABD, we can write AD square is equals to AB square, it is hypotenuse, minus BD square. So AB is 15, square of 15 minus BD 9, square of 9. It comes to 25 minus 81. That means 4 and 14, that is 144. So the result AD comes to 12 centimeter. Now we got the value of 12 centimeter AD, that is 12 centimeter. We have to find cos B. So cos B, B is this angle. So curly brown hair, that is base upon hypotenuse AB. So it will be 9 upon 15. On reducing the value ratio, 3 upon 5. Now we have to find sin C. To find sin C, it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 12 upon 15, 4 upon 5. Okay, to find the third part, that is tan square B minus sec square B plus 2. So tan B can be written P upon B. So it is perpendicular is 12 and base is 9, so it's square minus sec B. So sec is the reciprocal of cos. So we will take 5 upon 3 square plus 2. Now we can solve it. 144 upon 81 minus 25 upon 9 plus 2. LCM will be 81. We will get 144 minus 25 into 9. Sorry, it will be 225 plus 81 into 2. So the value will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this will be the result. Sorry, actually this here it is minus 225, so the result will be 81. So we will get the value 1. Thank you. Now you can go through all the questions of exercise 22b. Thank you.